our view is that Samsung stock offers great value. It's undervalued right now. It's currently trading at 1.3 times forward book. But given its positioning in the global semiconductors and smartphones and looking at what other semiconductor stocks have done globally year to date, we think market is being too conservative in valuing the company. Agreed that its DRAM business is currently going through a mild down cycle, but we expect ASPs to bottom in 1Q of next year, and next year could be a great year for DRAM pricing and demand. We think Samsung is also a big beneficiary of U.S. sanctions on Huawei and resulting decline in its smartphone market share globally. We believe Huawei's weakness will present significant opportunities to Samsung next year. Finally, on the foundry side, Samsung is only one of the two foundries globally to be able to fabricate chips at 7 nanometer or below or more advanced nodes where demand is exploding. And if you look at the company's balance sheet, like 30% of the company's market cap, the net cash is about 100 trillion won, which is about 30% of its market cap. And I think company is well placed to execute M&As in semiconductor space to foster new growth engine in the coming years.
Okay, so let's take this one by one here. On the smartphone side of the business, it sounds to me you're saying trouble for Huawei spells good news for Samsung. Does this big release of the foldable phone move the needle at all? I mean, it has such a high price tag. We would imagine that volumes would be relatively low compared to their other lines. And also added to that, these reports that Apple is getting ready for their own release in October. It seems as though the competition could stiffen here.
Right. I mean, this $2,000 foldable phone that they launched today, it's going to be a niche product. But overall, the company has launched several foldable phone models in the last 12 months, and the price range is anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. So, yeah, they are making affordable phones as well as premium foldable phones. This year, we expect their overall foldable phone shipments to be around between 2 to 3 million units compared to about 250 million units they will be selling globally. So, yes, they are a very small portion of the total shipments. But next year, we expect this to grow to about 8 to 9 million and more the year after. So I think post-2021 or from 2022, foldable phones will become mainstream. And given Samsung's positioning in this business, Samsung is pretty much the only major player currently. Huawei is having its issues, so it's not sure whether they will be able to bring their foldable phones to the consumers, So Samsung will be the first mover in this important product category, and we expect foldables to become a major earnings driver for the smartphone business in the coming years.